My name's Kate Banazi and I'm a silkscreen printer and artist. I like trying new things and experimenting and trying to pull them together in some way so that they become cohesive. I think plastic is a precious material and should be treated as such. I love the materiality of it. I love the clarity of colour. For me, it's a really precious substrate. It shouldn't be disposable. There's so much longevity in it. It should be treated with a bit more reverence. I love silkscreen printing. I love the earthiness of it. I love the physicality, the texture of the ink, the unknown outcomes depending on weather, light, and different inks. These have always been kind of starting points for this silkscreen prints, just because I really understood it. The physicality of a body and the meatiness and the weight and the earthiness of it, and then digitizing it so it becomes this clean, ideal, almost slightly aggressive, and weighing that with ink and the whole idea of adorning a body. I made the leap from paper to acrylic. I think it was more to do with trying a different substrate which had a translucency so I could stack it, layer and play with the shadow and light and colour in a different way. I like how people change it to suit them. When someone else says, oh, this piece in front of that piece, and that interaction with that colour with those lines, it becomes another conversation.